Hello, students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 9, Changing Families. Yes, students. So, previously we completed up to chapter 8, and I hope you all prepared very well of all the chapters. So, moving to the next, that is chapter 9, Changing Families. In this chapter, students, we are going to discuss the families of Nimi, Serings, and Nazli. So, but today's video, we discuss the two family Nimi and Sering. So, see the picture, students. In the video, you observe here that this is the picture of Nimi family, where Nimi is there, and Nimi father, Nimi grandmother. They are visiting to hospital. See the plus sign. That means hospital is there. Another picture you observe, students, that is sharing families, another child, and see the sharing father and grandparents, mother also there. So we will discuss about this two child's family, what changes is happens. Sharing families, in that sharing father, sharing grandparents, mother, all are there in the picture you observe there, and sharing received a letter from his office, and that letters what change brings in this lesson we discuss. So students, keep watching very properly and very attentions up to the last, because at the last few question answer we will discuss, so that time I ask some questions. So students, be attentions. So let's start the chapters. So observe, before starting we discuss first what is family. Students, family is where life begins and love never ends. Yes, students. So if the definition is there, what is a family? So family is like branches on a tree. We all grow in different directions, yet our roots remain as one. Yes, dear students. So from this sentence we can make out that a family is the integral part of our lives. Understood, students? So it is the smallest unit of our society. It is like the first school of students. It is like the first school of students. A family comprises of grandparents, fathers, mothers, uncle, aunt, and childrens. So see the picture, students. There are different kinds of family which I am sure you are aware of. Can you guess what are the different kinds of family, students? Exactly, nuclear family or a small family. So nuclear family or small families, what is, students? Nuclear families, the families in which mother, father, and children live together, that is known as nuclear family. And if I talk about joint family, the families in which grandparents, uncles, aunt, parents, cousins, and children live together. Okay, kinds of family. See, nuclear family, a family in which father, mother, and children live together, and joint family is what, student? The family in which grandparents, uncle, aunt, parents, cousins, and children live together. Okay, students. So I hope this thing is clear. So family members are parents, brothers, sisters, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins. Okay, and relatives. Family members who are related to each other are called relatives. Okay, so look at this, why families are important. A very good questions. Families importance. Yes, students, we get love and affections from our families. That's why family importance. We feel safe as our families protects us. Yes, students, we feel safe, and we depend on our families for our needs. Okay, we learn moral values from our families member. So families have great importance, students. Oh, families are an integral part of one's life. A family serves as the first school to every child. Yes, dear students, where one learns about various cultures. And in the other words, students, in the other words, you are a reflection of your family, students. Exactly. So, all the good habits and manners one has received from their families. So, students, now moving to the chapters, we will discuss now, students. First is Nimi family. Here you see in the picture Nimi and his full family members. So Nimi family's member, grandmother, uncle, mother, father, and Nimi and newborn baby. Okay, see. So this is Nimi family, a new arrival. There is a great excitement in Nimi families. She has a new baby sister. Point to be noted, students. She has a new baby sister. Yes, see Nimi grandmother, Nimi, and Nimi father. They all are going to see Nimi mother. Where they are going, students? See the plus sign, as I already told. Plus sign means hospital. So Nimi, Nimi father, and Nimi grandmother, they are going to hospital to see Nimi new baby sister. Yes, see the picture, students, very. So this one is new baby who is new baby sister, Nimi sister. So see, and there is Nimi uncle. So Nimi, who are the members of Nimi families before the arrival of her baby sister? Can you guess, students? So father, mother, grandmother, uncle, and Nimi herself. But now there are total how many members? Father, mother, grandmother, there are 5 members. Now how many members are there in Nimi family? Now 6 members. Exactly, because of new baby sister is there. That's the reason. So look at their student. How will Nimi spend her day now? So, and what new work? So, how will Nimi spend her day now? She will spend her day playing with newborn baby. What new work will her mother do now to look after the baby? Will be the new work for her mother now. Okay, students. And there will be a change in the daily work of Nimi father, grandmother, and uncle with the arrival of the new baby. Can you tell how? So answer is, students, Nemi father, grandmother, and uncle will have to play with new baby, of course, and will have to look after her also. As Nimi mother would be busy with the baby, the other members will have to help her more. So that is the thing. Understood, students? Now see, has a small brother or sister been born in your home or in any house in your neighborhood? How does it feel? Yes, a small baby was born in your answer, like depend on that, in my neighborhood, like that your answer will be there. Okay, so see the next question, students. How have things changed at home with the new baby? Of course, some sudden changes will be there. Okay, all are very happy with the arrival of new baby. Okay, students. Next question is, what does the baby look like? The baby looks like my mother. What is the color of his or her hair? The color of her hair is black. What is the color of his or her eyes? The color of his eyes are brown black. So how many hours a day does the baby sleep? She sleeps for more than 14 hours. What different sound does the baby make? She cries and produces various types of sound. Who does the baby stay with most of the time? So most of the time she stay with her mom. Okay, students, now new place. Shering's father received a letter from his office. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. Yes, students, see in the picture,
So, sharing father received one letters from office, and that letter, whatever he received from office, sharing father showed the letter to his family. Okay, how do you think the different member would have felt? Okay, students. So is that they are happy to receive such a letter because you need to move to the new city, new place. Okay, so students, if anyone in family member received a promotion letter, that means their salary increase. Okay, they got a good position in the office and they will transfer, that means moving to one place to another place. So when sharing father shows the letter to family members, we're happy. Okay, sharing was also very happy because he would have to go to a new town, but sharing father, mother and grandparents were slightly anxious as they had to make all the arrangement in a new town. Understood, students? So that's the reasons what they feel. Now what will change in sharing families after his father transfer? For example, who from sharing's family will live with his father at the new place, and which school will sharing go? So who from sharing family will live with his father at the new place? Sharing his sister and his mother will live with his father at the new place. Okay, students. So which school will sharing go to now? So will he have new friends? So see here, will he have new friends? So sharing will go to a new school now and he will have new friends, of course. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? Yes. Yeah, of course, yes. My father is in transferable job and he needs to move to a new place after a transfer. What do you feel after this change? I feel happy as I get to see new places and new friends also. Exactly, students. So is there anyone in your class or school who has come to your school from another place? Where has she or he come from? So, what was his or her old school like? What does he or she find different here? Does he or she like the change? So, there is a boy or girls who has come from. This will be your own answer. You answer me, very student. Is or her old school too very big like ours? Everything is new and different for him or her, like people. Okay. So students, here is few questions which is related to today topic. Okay, let's see. Sharing father is going to work in another city because of, there are four options, students. Option A, transfer. Options B, promotions. Option C, both A and B, and option D, neither A nor B. So which one is correct, students? Of course, answer option C is the correct answer. Because of transfer and promotion, sharing father need to move in another city or work in another city. Moving to the next question, students. The number of people in Nimi family are now. So what will be the answer? Option 4 option is given. Option A 4, option B 5, option C 6, and option D not known. So exactly the correct answer is option C, that is 6 number of peoples in Nimi family are now. As Nimi has a new baby sister, that's why the number of people in Nimi's families are 6 members. Okay, students. Now moving to the next questions. So here is true and false statements. If any statement is true, that is T, and if it is false, that is F. So Sharik and his mother are going with his father to the new city. Is it true, students, or false statements? So just think out what will be the answer. So answer is, students, it is true statements. Okay, as they move to another city, that's why. Okay, next question is, students. Nimi uncle is blind. Just think out. whatever is the today discussion. Okay, students. So mark the true or false for these statements. Nimi uncle is blind. See the picture, students. So exactly what will the answer, students, for this? True. It is true, students. Nimi uncle is blind, as you have seen in the picture. So moving to the next question. Nimi's baby sister was born at home. Is it true statements or false statements? Just think out, students. Nimi's baby sister was born at home. You see, today whatever we are discussing is a false statement, students. As I show you hospital pictures, see the picture, students, plus sign is there. So it's Nimi baby sister is born in hospital, not at home. So that's the today class, students. So I hope you enjoy today class very much, and whatever we are discuss, I hope all the thing is clear to you. And students, we will conclude the today classes. So tomorrow we again proceed to next topic, that is Nazli family. So another child, Nazli, what changes has happened in Nazli family? So we will discuss in the next class. So whatever the today discussions, you please revise it well. And so that's all for today class, students. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and study well. Okay, students.